Yeah, what was the pattern to make this work? Because I kind of don't want to do anything, I just want to set up a dependency graph. That's clearly not the pattern. Can I set up a phony rule to turn .h's into .o's? Like, it's kind of silly. Do nothing. Unassociated shell command. No, it does want a shell command. I've used this pattern before. I just can't remember. I mean, okay, maybe this is a GNUism. Recipe commences before first target. Stop. Oh. Oh. Very silly of me. Very silly of me. So what was the error I got from that? Pass error, unassociated shell command, make file 7. Oh, right. Okay. I should have picked up on that. So it would seem. libav format / format. Forward declaration of undeclared identifier black. Duplicate symbol. Oh, yes. That's, yeah. Whoops. That's a good point. And kind of cringe. Oh. Okay. Let's slow it down. Okay. I mean, that seems to be working. I wonder if, though, we are contending with... Ooh. That's some delay. That's quite a delay. Testing. Testing. That's interesting. So what's occurring? This is the first time I've seen this. Have I changed something about my recording script? I did change video such that it records with constant quality. I think audio is the same. Yeah, I don't think I've changed audio. That's very interesting. While samples is less than the minimum number of samples. What error were we getting? When decoding a packet. When decoding a packet, so not when reading. So we can read a packet. But when decoding, we get resource temporarily unavailable. The codec. Interesting. So it looks like we get an error and then the resource is unavailable. But it looks like this is the error that actually triggers things. Data has size 2, but at least a size of 6 was expected. Were we just grabbing data too quickly? I mean, I guess so. So if we go back up, we wanted to grab a second's worth of samples. No, but that should just lock up the UI, right? Like when we did that last time, it just locked up the UI. Right. So there was no problem here, other than the fact that obviously it's incredibly laggy. But there was no problem with that. But 10 is a problem? Okay, no problem. Oh, now problem. I do wonder if there's conflict between Trying to grab. So, okay, so that's interesting to note though, that when we get an error here, everything afterwards just fails. That's probably not what we want. So we'll have to make a note of that and look into it. I wonder if it requires reopening the device. Or maybe just reopening the codec. Because I wonder if the codec can't recover from that. Let's do something really cheeky here. Okay, go away. Okay. Let's deinitialize the codec and initialize a new one. Then we need to alloc, fill the parameters and open, right? Free context. I think I want that to be like that. Free context and AV codec, alloc context 3, codec. Oh, you're after a, okay, so you want a format, format codec maybe? What did we do last time? Okay, that's in main. Where the codec is, oh, you find the decoder from params. Okay, right. We might close this. Codec params. And then we want to say params equals AI format, I format params. Is it params? Close this as well. No, you get it from the stream. Okay. Stream 0 code per codec par. And then we want this to be AV find decoder params codec, I think. Codec ID. Then we want AV codec parameters to context. I don't think that can fail. It can fail, okay. Wait, surely that can fail though, right? The alloc? It can, but it just makes it null. Okay. And then we need the params. And then we want open to do I need the codec to be separate? Find decoder, looks like it, okay.